Today, we dive into a powerful Zen short story that reveals how to use your mind wisely. Many people live with restless thoughts, endless worries, and constant noise inside their heads. But Zen masters teach us that the mind is not an enemy, it is a tool. If you learn to use it, your life changes. Stay with me until the end, because this story and the lessons that follow will show you exactly how to use your mind, step by step. The Zen story, the wild horse. A student once asked a Zen master, "Master, my mind feels restless. Thoughts run around like wild animals. I cannot focus, I cannot sleep, and I cannot find peace. How can I control my mind?" The master smiled and said, "Imagine your mind is like a wild horse. If you fight it, it will throw you off. If you tie it too tightly, it will resist and break free. But if you guide it gently, step by step, it will carry you anywhere you wish to go." The student listened closely. The master continued, "Your mind is not your enemy. It is your horse. Learn how to guide it, and it will serve you. Ignore it, and it will drag you into chaos." This story gives us a deep lesson. The mind is powerful, but it needs training. If you learn to use your mind instead of letting it use you, you can achieve clarity, peace, and purpose. Practical ways to use your mind based on Zen teachings. 1. Understand the nature of the mind. The mind is always active. It produces thoughts, emotions, and memories. They are transient like clouds passing over an endless sky. The Zen analogy reminds us not to identify with every thought. Practical step. When a negative thought arises, mentally say, "This is a passing thought, not me." This helps separate your true self from restless mental activity. 2. Train your focus. The mind jumps like a monkey between thoughts. This monkey mind wastes energy. Focus, like sunlight through a magnifying glass, concentrates mental energy powerfully. Practical step. Choose one task a day and give it your undivided attention. Avoid distractions. This sharpens mental discipline. 3. Use the breath as a tool. Breath links body and mind. A calm breath anchors you in the present when thoughts overwhelm. Practical step. When stressed, take 3 slow, deep breaths. In through the nose, hold for 2 seconds, exhale gently through the mouth. This brings immediate calm. 4. Create space between thoughts. Instead of reacting instantly to emotions or thoughts, pause and create space. This pause allows freedom of choice. Practical step. Before reacting, pause 5 seconds, count slowly, and ask yourself whether to follow the thought. Often, you'll choose not to. 5. Feed the mind with good seeds. The mind is fertile soil. It grows what you plant. Negativity breeds suffering, but kindness and gratitude foster peace. Practical step. Each morning, repeat a positive affirmation like, "Today I choose peace." This nurtures a positive mental environment. 6. Rest the mind regularly. The mind grows tired from constant activity and needs rest like the body. Meditation is a way to give the mind space without forcing silence. Practical step. Sit quietly for 10 minutes daily, observing breath and sensations. This refreshes mental clarity. 7. Use the mind as a servant, not a master. You are the rider. The mind is your horse. Most people obey every worry or distraction, but you can guide your mind purposefully. Practical step. Set one clear daily goal. Direct your mind to focus on it and bring it back gently when it wanders. 8. Watch the mind without judgment. Become the observer of your thoughts without labeling them good or bad. This non-judgmental awareness cultivates freedom. Practical step. Spend 5 minutes daily watching thoughts pass by like clouds. This practice stabilizes the mind. 9. Balance thinking with being. Thinking solves problems, but overthinking causes stress. Zen encourages balancing rational thought with simply being present and enjoying the moment fully. Practical step. Practice one activity daily with full presence, such as savoring tea or walking mindfully, without analysis. 10. Trust awareness more than endless thoughts. The mind is limited and can create unnecessary problems. Awareness is a deeper state of clear presence that transcends thought. Practical step. When caught in overthinking, shift attention from thought to breath, body, or surroundings. This shift brings clarity and peace. The Zen truth about the mind. The wild horse story teaches, you cannot control the mind by force, but you can gently guide it. Left untamed, the mind leads to suffering. Trained, it becomes your greatest ally, carrying you toward peace and freedom. Remember, these 10 practices are not just theories. They are practical, lived methods drawn from centuries of Zen tradition. Final reflection. Your mind is not your enemy, but your most powerful tool. Like a wild horse, it needs patience, gentle guidance, and regular training. Respect your mind without obedience. Be the rider who chooses the path. When you master your mind, life changes profoundly. Decisions improve, peace grows, and focus deepens. This is the gift of Zen wisdom, clarity, simplicity, and freedom through skillful use of the mind. Thank you for watching BodhiRipple. May this Zen story and these practical steps help you use your mind wisely. Like, comment, and subscribe for more timeless Zen and Buddhist wisdom. Until next time, may your mind be your horse, and may you ride it toward freedom.